Hello, this is Ritu Gupta this side. So I joined Oxo Fitness Center in month of February. So it's almost 3 to 4 months. Today we had this Oxo Fitness Challenge. We had various challenges, which is ready to deadlift, battle rope, tug of war, plank session. So we had this challenge here, and you can see I got the medal for the plank. So I hold the plank for 8 minutes, something 30 seconds. So I really appreciate the team for motivating me to have this medal here. So I request all of you to join OxoFit. It's a really lovely environment, and we have such sessions every month.